Guys, I had an idea of what I want to cook, but now we're changing the whole thing. It'll be a nice education challenge even for, you know, you're a chef, you get somewhere new and you always have to like find something. So we're gonna see what we can make with it. I have some ideas and it's going to be fun.
All right. Walk over.
Sushi. So we're back.
We're back.
If you forgot, my name is...
What? My name is who?
My name is
who?
Sushi Bible! I've never worked with this yellowtail snapper. We're going to make like a little salmon crudo, more on the raw side, then as well as a nigiri. We're gonna torch some things. We brought a little bit of our arsenal. Homemade pickled daikon, red onion and shallots. And yeah, you follow along and we'll explain some things and we're just going to make ourselves a fun day.
Sushi. All right.
Your sugar kitten. Yeah, it looks nice, it feels nice. Wow, that is good. This is insane. Like just the feel already. Just the feel of the scallop is already insane.
Oh, rate my chives.
Yeah, rate my chives.
Rate my chives.
Okay, we got some daikon in here. I know it's stinky, but I like
Yeah,
how stinky
same.
it is.
No, I know it's mouth pleasure.
So, and then we just hang out.
Cheesecake.
The reason why I'm doing it like this is because I don't want it. The butter is going to go on hot when it's brown, and it's going to continue cooking from below. So all I just want to do is get the top of it.
Ah, and that's why you stacked it that way.
Yeah.
So it stays raw.
So it still has a raw consistency, but also so you have like two things in one. Hey man.
Beautiful.
This looks like musa penida. It's a very tedious process, but it's worth it.
Got something in my eye. You guys, you see it? Fucking hurts.
Now, lemons.
Brightens it up a little bit.
Yeah.
The salty miso, the caramel fatty butter.
It needs to be very skinny and sexy, you know? Just how we like it. We do not mess more around with it. We just leave it like that.
All right. This is course number one.
Course number one. These are sashimi chopsticks.
Those surgical chopsticks.
Oh, look at that. I wish we had chopsticks. That was a major oversight. Mmm. Bro. I think the brown butter is my favorite part of that. Like how it goes with a fish.
Yeah.
Mmm. It's so nutty. So not sushi-like, but so sushi-like.
God, I have goosebumps because he is so awesome.
Oh, it's so good.
High praise indeed.
What'd you think?
Fantastic. I want another one. I want to get more of this pickled onion into my mouth.
There we go. It's very tender, very lean, but super like mild and nice.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, insane.
The contrast of the
The
The lemon with the butter.
Yeah.
Confusing my palate. I love it. It's so good.
Shout out to Reed the Fishmonger. That fish is banging. We're getting the freshest of fresh of South Florida, and we're very lucky to know the people we do.
So we're going to do I don't even know, like a scallop sashimi or just raw scallop. People call it crudo, whatever, we're just gonna name it. We're going to cube the scallop, and so the idea behind this right now is to add a little spice. We have the oranges, we have the cut out oranges as well. We're going to create our own with a little bit of a twist. We're gonna add soy sauce to give it a little bit of like the cooked texture. See how it goes. Never made this before, but life is about exploring and challenges. So.
Let's try it. Yes. Holy shit! He's having a seizure.
Yo!
Oh. Human E. coli.
Butthole scallops.
I love it.
Icon. Love me some butthole scallops.
Is that a sex organ of a fish? Yeah.
Let me,
Is it gonna get bigger? Is it gonna get harder?
Alrighty, on the wind. Hey, salmon. So we have the pickled daikon on the bottom, as well as the diced scallop, orange ponzu, I would call it.
Yeah.
Just
That is so good. I taste everything.
cruising.
I taste the mint, the orange, the daikon, the texture of the scallop.
Ah,
Fuck yeah.
Chef's kiss, my bro.
Oh,
Like, and I don't mean to lump in all of Asia, but doesn't this make European food look, Western food look too boring and shitty?
okay, so the chefs just reacted to the scallops. They had the first sashimi as well. Now we will head into nigiris, which we're going to take the snapper. We're going to cut a couple nether cuts. I'm going to make 3 different types of nigiris while they're just going to be enjoying. And let's do it.
Let's do it.
There we go, sharp knives, thicker, because it's very, very soft.
And very, very fresh.
No one will ever tell you the secret. Nigiri making is hand temperature. So the rice won't stick to you.
Ah.
Yeah. So, we got our fish here, nicely cut. I'm going to create the vessel for it. The vessel is our little rice bowl. We're going to go a little bit less rice because we have skinny fish. Usually it's like 25 grams of rice, depending on your fish, but we want them to look sexy for our video. Put it down. I go up here, shape it once, 2, 1, 2, turn around, 2, 1, 2.
Very nice. Well played, sir.
Damn. For me, the most important about this is, so when I grab the nigiri, I have it. The rice is kind of covered, not all of it, as well as which side you're looking at it from. It creates a vessel, like a boat for the fish, and then my hand just shapes it, and you can see it's like, okay, it's grabbing, you know, you can lift it without breaking the rice, but it's still be nice and very, and it just has to look, you know, like a very symmetric, like all of them have to look the same. Ooh. Oh. What?
Oh, baby.
Oh.
I love that trick. I saw her do it the other night.
Yeah, it's the
It
best.
directs the squirt. Oh, come on, guys. Jesus.
I don't know what you mean.
Shrink.
That's my favorite of the night. That's my favorite of the night. That is incredible.
That fish. The rice, the butter, everything.
Oh. It's so crazy how a stripe or two of that butter just carries through. I still taste it on my tongue now. Just
But you can also taste the fish, which is nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's not like it
It
doesn't.
No.
doesn't drown it out. It's just That fish is very nice. So soft.
So is the rice.
God. Oh yeah.
I just wanted to see how the fish itself.
This is clean.
That
Wow.
rice is fantastic.
Yeah. Man, I found a new favorite fish.
Really, the texture is unbelievable.
Yeah.
The texture
The
is
texture is so
It
soft.
would be sacrilege to cook that.
actually melting.
Yeah.
Just melting in my mouth.
Yeah.
I am the biggest demon. Demon.
That looks and smells awesome already.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Finger it.
We gotta do eye roll. You gotta look eyes, otherwise it's bad sex.
Damn, that's good.
How's it a huri style?
It's really good. And it
Woo!
finishes with a pickle. That's just delightful.
That is excellent.
Holy fuck.
That was delightful. You know that Reed gave us that fish for free?
Yeah, you did.
He's fucking awesome. He's fucking awesome.
Read the man. Oh, I like what you're doing there. A little daikon roll.
Oh no, I've broken it. You missed that.
I did. You didn't give me any warning. So we're just raw dogging this.
We're out of this. That's it. I think. I'm not sure how you guys are, but I believe you can tell a fresh scallop.
Onion first, then the rice, and the scallop is subtle and comes in last.
And sweet.
Sweet.
Oh, hello. All right. Huey out.
I think I just shot that in time lapse. Everyone has departed. That was a fun little omakase dinner party, and hope you guys like that. Hope you guys learned some things from Chef Hugh.